Hey folks, Lisa had bought a customized flag fabric from Backdropsource, which comes with a cotton bag. She was so happy to unveil a flag fabric. She had tried multiple flag fabrics, but she wanted to know how this one stood out from all others. Flag fabric is a lightweight and ultra-transparent fabric. These fabrics allow light to pass through them. She wanted to use this one for her shopfront, display window, show window, showrooms, office spaces for cabinets, creating partitions and curtains. Let her check this, and we will all get to know whether she was impressed with it or not. Oops! She tries to rip up the fabric, but unfortunately our fabric is thicker and she cannot rip this one. Fabric is stretchable and it has very good flexibility. Printing of this fabric is an eco-solvent ink, which is fade resistant. They remain intact despite exposure to the UV rays. Makes your imagination and designs come to life. It is lightweight and easily portable to wherever we want. Flag fabric is crease and tear resistant. Wrinkles can be removed by using the steam iron or normal household ironing method. Lisa is very satisfied of her purchase of the flag fabric. You can also buy your customized fabrics at the Backdropsource.